already there, splendid. That means you're ready to take on your new job. Yeah, anyway, this is WarioWare Incorporated, the #1 place for microgames production. It was founded by this man named Wario, around 20 years ago to be exact. And now, we are reopening this again. It should be fun. Now, here's the thing, right? The workers here have been complaining about figures and stuff wandering around the place, you know, that shouldn't be here. Some have gone as far as saying that this place is haunted. Well, if that's true or not, you just gotta believe what you want. But trust me, I have experienced hauntings before, and it was as far from fun as you can get. I don't want the same thing to happen to you. Therefore, I have given you the access to the security cameras. That way, you can keep track of anything or anyone that moves in there. And since we're rebuilding this from the ashes, it has some, well, consequences. You might notice some of the rooms being new and some being, well, not. Furthermore, we are currently struggling with the power, and we only have a temporary solution, being a power generator in the back room. So, as often as you can, go back there and charge it up to keep the power flowing. Though, since there's a thunderstorm raging outside, that could be of help of you when you need some light, right? So, I hope you're safe. If anyone actually should enter your office, hide in the back room immediately and do not make any sound whatsoever. And make sure there's power left as well. Remember, power means everything here. We'll see what we can do with the power tomorrow though. And don't be afraid, alright? Just stay focused. Good night and good luck. do what I told you. Should they enter your office, stay in the back room and be quiet. Therefore, if you should find yourself in this situation, you must not touch the generator, alright? But otherwise, keep it charged. Unnatural beings tend to move faster in the dark. But no worries though, as you can charge the power up again if it should run out. Keep that in mind. I said that we were trying to fix the power, right? Funny thing is, we only managed to make it worse for you. The electricity got completely broken in the tool storage, so you won't be able to see much in there now. Or, come to think of it, the thunderstorm apparently won't end until next week, according to the weather report. So remember, lightning is your friend. By the way, the cabinet that is standing in the tool storage, keep an eye on that, alright? As I investigated the room today, I felt a strong ambience of danger as I opened this cabinet. Not sure why. Just keep an eye out on it every now and then, yeah? If it should open and nobody is standing there, someone might be, well, rushing towards you. So if you should see this, enter the back room as fast as you can. We'll keep working on the problems. Stay tuned and stay safe. Good night.